Hi friends, I'm glad you popped in. Around these parts, when you have a little success at fishing, it often means a big fish fry. We use vegetable oil, canola oil, or peanut oil, and you want to heat it to 350 degrees. Today we're using equal amounts of yellow and red cornmeal, but you can use regular cornmeal and just add the spices you like, Cajun seasonings or red pepper maybe. You'll notice that he's using a colander here, and that's to drain off any liquid, because we've learned that the drier the fish is, the better that the seasonings stick to it. When we notice that the fish starts to brown a little bit, we start watching for it to start floating a bit. And when it starts floating a bit, we let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. I'm breaking this open so you guys can see this real quick, but I think I'm gonna have to sample it. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Thanks for watching.